Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. I haven't done a video in a long time, but today I thought I'd do a Doordash video, and this video is kind of interesting because I logged into the Doordash app after a long time and I saw a message pop up saying increase your acceptance rate to increase priority, and I kind of thought that was a scam and that wasn't in DoorDashers' best interest. I feel like DoorDash is trying to get Dashers to accept more bad orders, and I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap all of this for you guys. So a lot of Dashers realize and are aware of the fact that they don't get punished for having low acceptance rate. Now, it's been kind of an accepted thing that DoorDash does give better orders to people that have a higher acceptance rate, but DoorDash is telling people to accept more orders in order to get better orders. And by accepting more orders in general, you're accepting worse orders to get better orders. So my feeling of all of that is it kind of evens out in the long run. Now, I have a terrible acceptance rate. I have an acceptance rate in around the 30% area. And the reason for that is like a lot of the orders I thought weren't paying enough for me to, and one, give my time to, and number two, spend my gas on, because gas has been so expensive as of late. But DoorDash is saying you have to have a customer rating of 4.5 or above to get priority access, and that I don't disagree with. Like, your customers need to be happy with your service in order for you to get priority access in DoorDash. Like, that I completely understand. But them saying you have to have an acceptance rate of over 50%, that's kind of iffy, because if it's up to you to decide whether or not an order is good enough for you to go and work. And DoorDash is essentially telling you, if you want to get the good orders, you have to take the bad orders. And I understand that, like, you don't want to give all the Dashers bad orders, but telling a Dasher you're not going to get priority access because you're not accepting orders that you don't feel are good enough, I feel that's more true to the advantage of the company than the Dasher, who's an independent contractor. Tell me what you guys think about that. I just thought it was really odd that they put that out there. I mean, obviously they'll do whatever they need for the interest of the company, but having to accept worst orders to get good orders is, I don't know. It seems like kind of a scam. Seems like the company's just trying to get Dashers to accept a lot of bad orders. Those $2, $3 orders where you have to travel a mile and a half and it's going to take you, well, not 2 or 3, but like $5 orders for a 30-minute drive. That's like $10 an hour. And I know it has that base wage of around $16, which they'll pay you regardless. But yeah, I am of the opinion that, like, orders really shouldn't be that bad in general, and if they are, you should decline them. And quite a few of them actually are. Like, some you get amazing orders, like you'll get $30 for an hour, and I'm completely for doing something like that. I'll even do it above 20, but below that point, especially in the area where DoorDash has to kick in and pay you to reach that minimum, like, you have to decline those orders. But I know this was kind of a rant. Tell me what you guys think about this. Do you guys agree with this? Do you guys not? I haven't done DoorDash in about 6 months. I just tried to log in to see what's going on. I have a full-time job that is paying enough and is allowing me to be comfortable enough to not have to do DoorDash on the side. But as I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you agree with this, let me know. If you disagree and you're like, no, all people need to take some bad orders, and you can't only get the good ones, let me know about that in the comments section below. But we all know, if you like pay good for a Dasher, you're gonna get a much quicker Dasher, and you're gonna get a Dasher that won't cancel on you. So there'll be less problems in general if you're a good paying customer. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, have an amazing day.